Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olsen and this is my channel where you're gonna learn how to draw easy and step by step. Today we're doing a leprechaun. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker, but you can change this for a pencil. Okay, we're gonna start here with a rectangle shape. So I'm gonna put two lines. And then I'm going to join them together with a horizontal line, and up and another one down. Then we're going to do a square shape on the top. So I'm going to go up and around. So let's go up first. I'm leaving a little bit of a space and I'm going up. Let's leave a little bit of a space and go up. And now let's join these two together with another line. There. The next thing I want to do here inside a square. So I'm going up to the right and down again. And let's do another one, the same thing, but a little smaller inside. Now I'm going to do a line here on the right side and another one on the left. There. Now let's continue with the face. I'm going to do a big letter U that goes down and go up again. And I'm going to go here in a little bit. And then let's go down, doing this U shape. You can go slow and up. Okay. Let's continue with the ears. I'm going to do two C shapes in each side of his head. Now let's continue with the nose. It's going to be a big oval shape, okay? So we're going to do in the middle of his face. And now I'm going to do the eyes. These are going to be two oval shapes. They are a little smaller than the nose, and we're gonna color this with black. Okay. Now I'm gonna continue with the eyebrows. So the eyebrows are here on the top of the eyes under the hat, and they are gonna be two rectangles. So 1 and 2. There. Let's continue with the mouth. The mouth is gonna be a big smile, just a curved line underneath the nose. Now I want to start doing here the beard. So look, we're going to do down in behind the ears, okay? Now from this point, I'm going to do a letter U that goes down like this. And now another letter U that goes down and up. And we're going to join these two doing more letter U's. Let's try to do it a big and one more. There. That's the beard. To finish our leprechaun, we're going to do a couple shamrocks in the sides, okay? The easiest way that I find to do these shamrocks is to do a heart first. So I'm going to do here a heart, and it's a little bit sideways. And from here, from the pointy part of the heart, I'm going to do another one. And let's do one more. It's going to be 3 hearts together. Just like this. And then on the space that I have left here, I'm going to do the stem, and it's going to be 2 lines, and I'm just join them on the bottom. And we're going to repeat these steps. We're going to do hearts, and you can point this heart in any direction you want. And we are just going to continue doing hearts next to each other. So let's do one more on the right side. And then on the space that you have left, you will do the stem. Just like that. And my lines here are looking a little bit triangle, so that's okay. Let's do the last one. And this one is going to be a little smaller than the other ones. So I'm doing my hearts a little smaller than the other ones, and I'm going up again. And let's do one more in this one. So on the side, and the stem comes from here. And there, that's it. We finished this picture of a leprechaun. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, that's it for today's video. Here is where you can see the colors I use. Also, if you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe to watch more lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.